In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides. This is a great way to enhance your presentations by adding visual interest and breaking up text with images. Whether you're putting together a business presentation, a school project, or something fun for a personal event, being able to efficiently add multiple images can save you time and keep your slideshow looking professional. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to launch the application, and once it's open, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you want to add your pictures. If you don't have one ready, you can easily start a new presentation. Now that you're inside your PowerPoint presentation, we're going to begin the process of adding images. Direct your attention to the top menu bar and find the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of content to your slides, from text boxes and tables to, of course, images. Click on the Insert tab and you'll notice a section labeled Images. Within this section, you'll see an option called Photo Album. Go ahead and click on Photo Album, which is a fantastic feature specifically designed to handle multiple photo uploads seamlessly. When you click on Photo Album, look for the option labeled New Photo Album. This is where you'll start creating your collection of pictures to be inserted into the presentation. Once you select New Photo Album, you're prompted with another button called File Disk. Clicking on this button lets you browse through the photos stored on your computer. Go ahead and browse through your image files. Take your time to select all the photos you want to include. Hold down the Control key if you're using a PC, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, to select multiple pictures at once. After choosing your desired images, you simply click on Insert. This action adds your selected photos into the Photo Album dialog box, where you now have the opportunity to make some adjustments. At this stage, a dialog box opens up. This is your command center for editing and arranging your images. You can adjust the order of the pictures, reorganize them however you like, and even choose to fit them perfectly into your slides. If you want to add some polish or tweak any images, this is the perfect time to do that. Experiment with various settings until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Finally, once you're happy with the arrangement and edits, click on Create. PowerPoint will generate a new series of slides, each featuring one of your selected images. And just like that, you've efficiently inserted multiple pictures into different slides in your presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your next PowerPoint project.